How to hide likes on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to hide likes on Instagram. So first thing, just open up your Instagram application and make sure you're logged into account. Now simply select your profile icon at the bottom right corner and select this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and from over here simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is likes and share accounts. Under what you see option, so just simply select it as you can see over here, and once you're inside here, just enable this option that is hide like and share accounts. So now every post you post on your Instagram will have the hidden likes. That means, so as you can see, currently my likes has been hidden just like this. So you can basically turn this on from over here as well. So simply tap on this three dot icon on that particular post and simply click on this on hide like count. And that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.